Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use one of Instagram's newest and most powerful feature, the Restyle tools inside the Instagram stories. This feature will let you edit object, remove things, or maybe change color, change the object, or even transform your photo into a different styles, all directly inside Instagram. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Instagram app and then make sure your Instagram is updated to the latest versions because Restyle is still rolling out to many users. And then next, just add stories like this, and then next here you can either upload a photo from your gallery or just take a picture using the story camera. And here I'm going to upload a photo so it's easier to show you. For example like this, and then just look at the top of screen, just tap on Restyle tools that look like a pencil icon like this, just tap on it. And then next in here, inside the Restyle page, Instagram will give you a several AI powered on here. You can modify the objects like add the new objects or remove the objects, and then maybe change the detail of the objects and then transforms into many styles like this. For example, maybe I want to change the color of the hair. For example like this, and then just generate. Okay, like this. Instagram will automatically change the hair color of the photo. And I think it looks so neatly, it looks so cool. The result looks so good like this. And then next, if you want to regenerate the result, just tap on this button and Instagram will automatically regenerate the new results for you like this. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can use the new Restyle feature on Instagram to instantly transform your photo or edit your photo to make your stories look way more creative and unique. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.